An increasing number of Australians are reporting problems when opting out of the government's My Health Record online service. Many are choosing to leave over fears their privacy and data could be breached. And the digital guru who was once employed to move federal government services into the future, Paul Shetler, says he'd probably opt out too if he was an Australian citizen. National Science and Technology reporter Paul Shetler explains.
David Beattie wants no part of the new My Health record.
The biggest concern I've got at the moment is obviously about privacy. You've got a huge amount of data which is becoming a record of all people in Australia, and that's a major concern because not only is it a target for people to steal this information, but just the fact it can be misused.
But when he tried to opt out, it took him more than 4 hours on the phone.
They've had to escalate my problem to a specialist team, and apparently I might get a response about that in snail mail, which is quite ironic.
Absolutely ridiculous process.
He's one of thousands of Australians automatically signed up to the program during trials across the country. Many are now trying to opt out amid growing fears about security.
The specific risk to users is that the data can be accessed and be used against you. Most data breaches don't happen because a hacker came in from the outside. Most data breaches happen by insiders.
Paul Shetler used to be the federal government's top digital officer and says people have reason to be concerned due to a string of government tech wrecks. These include the 2016 census fail, Centrelink's robo-debt debacle, taxation office outages, and in 2017, poorly de-identified Medicare data was uploaded online. Paul Shetler says these breaches could happen again, and so he would probably opt out.
I think I likely would, just because I have some concerns about the ability of people to get access to the data, including, legally.
But the federal government says there's already 6 million people in the system and there's been no problems.
And it's been operating for 6 years highly effectively, and the result is lives will be saved. And that's the advice of the medical authorities.
It's not a matter of if something's going to be hacked, it's simply a matter of when.
Australians who don't yet have a My Health record can opt out any time in the next 3 months. Paul Shetler, ABC News.